Hess's law says that the total change in heat in a chemical reaction is the same whether the reaction occurs in one step or several steps. So if you have a reaction that occurs in multiple steps, you can determine the delta H for the overall reaction if you adhere to the following rules. Number 1, if you reverse a chemical reaction, you need to use the opposite sign for delta H. Number 2, if you multiply your reaction by some number, you need to multiply delta H by that number. Number 3, if you divide your reaction by some number, you need to divide delta H by that number. And number 4, if you combine the steps so they add up to the overall reaction, you need to add your delta H's together to get delta H for the overall reaction. Now note, if you have a substance on both sides of your equation, as a reactant and as a product, that substance will cancel out. So keep in mind that your goal for Hess's law problems is to get your elementary steps to add up to your overall reaction. For example, if my overall reaction is liquid water forming gaseous water, I want liquid water on the left side, gaseous water on the right side, and every other substance that's mentioned to cancel out. Liquid water is already on the left side of the equation. And because I reversed my second step, gaseous water is now on the right side of my equation. Hydrogen and oxygen both cancel out because they're on opposite sides of the equation. And now my elementary steps are equal to my overall reaction. Because I reversed the reaction, I need to use the opposite sign for delta H. Finally, add up delta H for each step to get the delta H for the overall reaction. This next example is a little bit harder because you need to multiply or divide by some number to get the correct number of each reactant and product. Pause this video and then check your answer when you're done.